Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Subject English, Unit 3, Chapter number 24, The Laughing King. Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 24, The Laughing King. And children, this chapter is divided into 4 scenes. Okay, before we start with the chapter, I will introduce the characters of this chapter. King, whose name was Leonard, the Queen, Cynthia, daughter of King Leonard, Witch, her name was Griselda, King Ferdinand, who was the king of the neighboring kingdom, wise men of King Leonard, and attendant of King Ferdinand. So children, let us start with scene 1. In scene 1, King Leonard is taking a walk in his garden. While taking a walk in his garden, King Leonard says, "What a bright sunny morning! How colorful my garden looks! Ah, how sweet the flowers smell!" And later he says, "Who is that hurrying here? Isn't it Griselda, the witch?" Children, the meaning of witch means a woman thought to have a magical powers. King Leonard says, "Yes, of course, it is Griselda. Why this haste and hurry? Oh, oh, there she slips and falls into, the puddle. Ha, ha, ha. How muddy her face is, how wet her clothes are." Children, the meaning of puddle here is a small pool of water, and haste means fast, speed, in a speed. King Leonard kept on laughing more loudly. Ha, 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 ha. Griselda scrambles out of the puddle and comes out limping towards the king. Children, meaning of scrambles means quickly, and the meaning of limping means walking with difficulty, okay, or slowly. So when king was laughing at her, she quickly got out of the puddle and she came towards the king, and she got very angry. Griselda said angrily, "Shame on you, King Leonard, you laugh at my fall." But then also King Leonard continued laughing, ha, 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 ha. So Griselda now got very angry. She said, "If you like laughing so much, may you laugh all the time. Zang Mang Shang." These are the magic words said by Griselda. Leonard, ha, ha, ha. Which Griselda sits under a tree, frowning at the laughing king and whipping off the mud from her body. Now students, let us move to scene 2, which took place in the palace. Now when the king entered the palace, he still kept on laughing. The poor queen, who has been looking for the king, comes to him with a plate full of cakes. Queen said, "Won't you taste the special cakes I baked for you? By the way, why are you laughing? What's funny, dear? Won't you tell me?" But still King Leonard kept on laughing, ha, ha, ha. Queen, she got very annoyed Annoyed means angry. She said to the king, "Stop laughing, dear. You will drop the plate. You won't stop." King Leonard couldn't stop laughing. At last, the plate falls from his hand. "Oh no! You have broken one of my best plates and dropped my special cake." She started crying, but still King Leonard kept on laughing. Ha ha ha. Then Princess Cynthia comes and sees her father laugh and mother cry. Cynthia said to her father, "We can hear you laugh all over the palace. But why are you laughing? And that too when mother is crying over her broken plate." King Leonard was unable to control himself. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. Cynthia consoling her mother. Consoling means to make someone feel better when they are sad. "Never mind, Mama. I will pick up broken pieces and try to mend the plate." Mend means repair something that is broken. She starts collecting the pieces. "Oh, I have cut my finger." King Leonard still keeps on laughing. Ha ha ha, ho 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 ho. Cynthia staring at her father angrily. Staring means looking very angrily. "Father, how can you laugh even when I have cut my finger?" So King Leonard said, "Ho ho ho, I should stop laughing. But I cannot. Ha ha ha. Let me go and consult my council of wise men. Ho ho ho, ha ha ha. They will know what to do." Children, the meaning of consult means to go to somebody for information or advice, and the meaning of council means a group of people who are elected to govern an area. Now children will move to scene 3. In this scene 3, the wise men are holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom, King Ferdinand. The king enters the chamber followed by the attendant. I have told you King Ferdinand was the king of the neighboring kingdom. Okay, so he comes to meet King Leonard. Okay, children, the meaning of chamber means a hall in a public building that is used for formal meeting. And attendant means helpers. Okay. Now when King Ferdinand enters the palace, the wise men said, "Your Majesty, King Ferdinand has come with the complaint that thieves from our kingdom have stolen fruits from his orchards." Children, the meaning of thieves here is robbers, and the meaning of orchard is a piece of land planted with fruit trees. But still, King Leonard, listening to the complaint, kept on laughing. Ha ha ha. King Ferdinand got angry and he said, "How dare you laugh at my complaint? I will not put up with this sort of insult. I will soon be back with my army." Now children, King Ferdinand got very angry and he was about to leave the palace. That time King Leonard said, "Don't go, my friend." Still he was laughing. Ha 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 ha. "Stop him, wise men. Ha ha ha. Stop King Ferdinand." Then the wise men said, "But, Your Majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hours?" King Leonard still kept on laughing. Ha 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 ha. "Sorry, I can't help laughing. Ha 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 ha. Due to which Griselda's magic. Ha 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 ha." Wise men said, "The witch magic? Well, let's all go to witch Griselda and request to help the king." Now children, let us move to the last scene of the chapter, that is scene number 4. The palace garden. The king enters with his wise men. They see the witch still sitting there with a frown on her face. Children, the meaning of frown means showing angry expressions. As the king and the wise men enters the palace garden, the wise men said to witch Griselda, "Oh witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Please free him from the spell." Griselda angrily said, "No, no, no. Why did he laugh at me when I fell into the puddle?" The wise men said, "Do forgive him, please." Children, forgive means excuse. King Leonard said to Griselda, trying to control his laugh, "I am sorry, witch Griselda. Ha 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 ha. I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into the puddle. But because of your spell, I hurt my wife's feeling and my daughters and my friends by laughing at their misfortunes. Ha ha ha. I promise you I will never laugh at others. Ha ha ha." Children, the meaning of misfortune means troubles or problems. Later, Griselda said, "Since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But if you ever laugh at anyone's trouble," King Leonard said, "Never again. Ha 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 ha." Now, witch Griselda did magic on King Leonard to bring him to normal self. She said her magic words, "Sung Mung Zung." And now King Leonard at last stopped laughing. What a relief! Thank you very much, witch Griselda. Thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand. Letter of apology means to write a letter saying sorry. Children, you all remember no why he is writing a letter of apology? Because he laughed at him when King Ferdinand came with a complaint. Okay? And I will get a set of new plates for my queen. Why set of new plates? Because when queen brought a plate of cake, King Leonard kept on laughing and laughing, and the plate fell down and it broke. Okay? And also my daughter Cynthia, I will stick a plaster on her poor finger. Why? Because her finger got cut while picking up the plates. Okay? But first, let me present a new dress to old witch Griselda. Why King Leonard was going to give her new dress? Yes, because she fell into the puddle. Yes. Later everything settled very nicely. So all of them loudly said, Three cheers for the king. Hip hip hooray! I hope you all have enjoyed listening to this chapter. Thank you children for watching the video.